everyone, JJ Cagle here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add captions to photos in iOS 14. That way you can search for whatever that caption is that you added to your photo and it'll pull up that photo. It makes it much easier to find a specific photo later. So let's go ahead and open up the Photos app. Once we're in the Photos app, we'll just go to our library here and choose a photo. I'm going to choose this photo. So if I want to add a caption to it, I'm going to go ahead and swipe up, and then I'll see this add a caption option. I'm going to add a caption. I'm just going to put paper. You know what? I'm going to put blurry actually, because it is kind of blurry. So I'll just put blurry. I'll put done. And that is how you add a caption to photos. Now if I were to go search blurry, it would pull up all photos with that blurry caption. It's pulling up a different photo for blurry because it does take it a while to update that photo with the blurry caption, and this photo also has a blurry caption. So if you search right after you add the caption and it doesn't pull up, don't worry, just give it a minute or so and then it'll show up. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Hope it helped. Please subscribe.